Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma inaugurated a workshop on, quote, enhancing mineral exploration through NMET, unquote, aimed at advancing the state's mining sector. Organized by the Directorate of Mineral Resources, the event brought together key stakeholders including GSI Director General Asit Saha and NMET Deputy Secretary Geetika Sharma. The Chief Minister also launched the State Geological and Mineral Map of Meghalaya and the Meghalaya Minerals Database during the workshop, which aimed to boost private sector participation and improve exploration activities in the state. In his address, Conrad Sangma stressed the importance of using modern technology in mineral exploration while balancing environmental sustainability. He also highlighted the state's unique land holding system and called for collaborative efforts with local communities.
Is our land holding systems out here, is our culture, and is the entire traditional aspect of how land ownership is there. These aspects are something again which we do not wish to ignore and we should not ignore, and it is important that we respect the local people, we respect the landowners, we work with them together in a way that we build up the right consensus, we build up the right atmosphere where we're ensuring that we carry everybody along. I know it's easier said than done, but it is a challenge. But again, it is also in one way a balancing factor in how we move forward. And hence I think it's important to keep in mind that while we move forward in all of these aspects, keeping our our land holding and our traditional rights and our culture also in perspective is very, very important from our state point of view. Our land holdings, as I said, are very different compared to other parts of the state. To the extent you're aware that even state government, when we want to build up large projects for the state, we have to purchase land. We buy land, government buys land. I just bought 800 acres to put up the new knowledge city, where we'll be coming up with different academies and different kind of institutions and different kind of large scale projects, whether it's a kind of an education hub or a sports hub, activity hub and a tourism hub. So all of these aspects are being planned. But even for that project, Meghalaya government had to purchase the land. So that's the complexity, but that's also the beauty of our land holding system. It does keep the checks and balances in place, and while we move forward with our exploration and with all these aspects in mind, it would be important for us not to ignore these aspects. And having said that, it's not that everybody's going to say, no, you cannot do this. People would love to. People would like to move forward.